Your muscles are literally tearing right now. Welcome to Body Under Attack. Here's what actually fixes them. Every rep you push, tiny fibers inside your muscle are ripping apart. That's not damage. That's growth starting. And here's the wild part. One meal can completely change what happens next. Like, seriously change it. Your stomach breaks that protein down into amino acids. Think of them as tiny rescue workers rushing in. Those amino acids jump into your bloodstream and race straight to your damaged muscles. 30 to 90 minutes, that's it. And then, muscle protein synthesis kicks in. Your fibers rebuild bigger, thicker, stronger than before, every single time. But what if you skip the protein? Your muscles just wait, and the repair, it barely happens. Slower recovery. Less strength, more soreness for days. I know, it sounds brutal, because honestly, it kind of is. Okay, so there's this one amino acid, leucine, and it literally flips the switch on muscle growth. Wild, right? Whey, eggs, chicken, fish, dairy, packed with leucine. These aren't just foods, they're your muscle's best friends. The sweet spot? 20 to 30 grams of quality protein. That's the dose that maxes out your muscle repair. But here's the thing, more protein doesn't mean more muscle. Your body has a limit, respect it. Everyone's freaking out about the 30-minute anabolic window. That myth, it's been completely shattered by science. Your muscles stay sensitized to protein for up to 48 hours after training. You have way more time than you think. Here's what actually matters most. Not when you eat protein. It's how much you eat throughout the entire day. Pre-workout protein, post-workout protein. Honestly, if your daily intake is solid, both paths lead to the same place. Oh, and add some carbs with that protein. It refills your glycogen tank. Recovery goes into overdrive, trust me. Every single workout sends your muscles one desperate message. Please help us rebuild. Are you listening? Protein isn't magic. It's just raw materials, bricks. Your body can't build a wall without them. Simple as that. Your body is the builder. It knows exactly what to do. You just have to give it what it needs. Every repair cycle leaves you a little stronger than before. That soreness you feel, that's your body leveling up, literally. So real talk, when do you eat your protein? Before the gym? After? Drop it in the comments right now. Team pre-workout protein or team post-workout? I genuinely want to know. There's no wrong answer here. Tell me. Comment below, what's your go-to post-workout meal? Someone scrolling right now needs to see your answer. If this is blowing your mind, subscribe. We break down stuff like this every week. You don't want to miss it. Your body is doing all of this constantly without you even thinking about it. Give it what it needs. Protein isn't just fuel. It's the actual construction material your muscles are built from. Completely different thing. Strategic protein intake doesn't just help, it transforms your results. The gains you want, this is exactly how you get them. Recovery isn't you sitting on the couch doing nothing. It's active rebuilding happening at a cellular level. Insane, right? Not all protein is created equal. High-quality sources give you every essential amino acid your muscles desperately need. Your body can't make essential amino acids on its own. They have to come from what you eat. No shortcuts. Whey hits your muscles fast. Casein, slow and steady all night. Different proteins, different superpowers. Both matter. And don't sleep on water. Amino acids need hydration to travel efficiently. Dehydrated, your whole recovery slows down. One good protein meal won't transform you. But consistent intake over weeks and months, that's where the magic lives. You are literally the architect of your own strength. Protein is your material. The choice is completely yours. Now you get it. The workout tears it down. The protein builds it back better. That's the whole game. Every single meal is a decision about your future strength. That's not dramatic. That's just biology being brutally honest. Here's what blew my mind. Your muscles don't grow at the gym. They grow after, while you rest and eat. Feed your body right, and it will exceed every limit you thought you had. That potential is already inside you. Consistent protein means faster recovery, real gains, less soreness. That's not a promise I'm making. That's what the science says. Treat your body like it deserves the best fuel, because honestly, it's working so incredibly hard for you every single day. Protein isn't just about muscles either. Energy, hormones, immune system, everything runs better when protein is dialed in. Understanding this changes everything. You're not just working out anymore. You're engineering your own transformation. That's powerful. So what's your next step? Simple. Eat your protein. Hit your daily target. Let your body do the rest. Got questions? Disagree with something? Drop it in the comments. I actually read every single one. Let's talk. We drop new body science every week. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss what we uncover next. If this genuinely blew your mind, share it. Someone you know is training hard and eating completely wrong right now. That's a wrap. Subscribe for new videos weekly. Next one's wild. Like this if it helped. See you there.